Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kenny. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys two Loewe bags. I would say these are archival bags. I've had these for a few months now, but yeah, I just wanted to share that with you today. To all my old subscribers, thank you for tuning in today, and thank you so much for your support. To my new ones and to anyone who has just stumbled upon my channel, I am Kenny. I do these kind of videos, mostly luxury related. If you are into this kind of videos or content, please, I would like for you to consider subscribing to the channel by hitting that subscribe button and the bell button to notify all the videos that I do create. And so today, I wanted to share this with you guys. Actually, I am not well. I've had COVID. This is the 7th day, but I'm feeling re-energized and much more myself. And so, yeah, the first bag is this. You can see from the strap, it's caramel tan color. And this is called the Loewe Tea mini bag. You probably have seen this many years ago. It has a version which is like just a pouch on its own, but this one is in this caramel tan color, which Loewe kind of is known for because of the Loewe Puzzle bag in the tan one, which is an eternal classic. But this is in this pebble grain calfskin leather in gold hardware. It has a subtle branding there with the logo. And the back looks like that, and this is detachable, so you can actually use this like a pouch like that. So I love a dual purpose kind of item. It gives you more bang for your buck. And yeah, the back pocket is quite generous. It's lined with this herringbone pattern, and the interior is quite roomy, I would say. I mean, much more than what you could fit. Where's my walk? Obviously with a wallet and chain. Like, honestly, obviously, you can fit so much in it. So yeah, I got this from Facebook Marketplace last year, and I've used this on a trip to the Philippines, which I am so pleased about because, you know, it's not attention seeking. It's kind of incognito in a way. If you're not a fashion insider, obviously you probably won't know this is even designer. And I like those kind of bags. And it even came with the charm like this. So good. And I got this, guys, for about 400 Australian dollars, which I feel like is quite reasonable for this kind of item, which, you know, Loewe is having its like fashion moment right now. It's kind of becoming like Balenciaga, so trendy, and in a way I like that, but in a way I don't. If you know what I'm trying to say. But I do love this. Have I tried it on as a crossbody? It just looks so chic, and you know, I love my love for navy and tans. So this is just no-brainer to me. It looks like seamless in any outfits, in like any kind of like fashion items in my wardrobe. Like, you know, look at this one, so chic. Like, bang it on with anything. I mean, I guess I could say that for my wardrobe only, but this is a perfect addition to my collection, and especially the Loewe. So that's that. Right, the next one is a real archival like Loewe bag, and it is also pre-loved. So this is called the this is the Barcelona bag in the small size, I believe. I would compare this size with the Chanel Boy bag in the small size. Like the spitting like size of that bag. I just don't have it with me right now to compare, but this one I got from Carousel, you know, that app. and I got it from a girl that she got it from Mare, where I got my Loewe Puzzle bag. And it's, yeah, okay, let's reel you into the features of the bag. So this is a calfskin leather bag. This is in like a smoother kind of leather, in gold hardware, in black leather. So the way this bag is with that mechanism, the closure is kind of like that. I'm not sure what you call this mechanism, but you know how you put something on the door to lock it, like a log, like an old mechanism to shut your doors. It's kind of that to me. So you just lift that up and you open the bag like that. Now what I don't like about this is that how sharp the edges are, because you can easily like scratch the bag. But I do love it. It's so light, and so maybe you can fit quite a bit in it. This phone that I have would probably fit in this. Yeah, it's kind of roomy, and the interior is, I believe, a lambskin leather because it's super soft. The medium size of this has like a partition in the middle. And this is what the gusset looks like there. And I got it for a reasonable price. I think this was 650 Australian dollars. I know these bags like fetch quite a bit more than that, which I thought when I saw it, like, you know, it's kind of reasonable in a way. But yeah, I do love it because it reminds me a lot of the Chanel boy bag in the small size, but in gold hardware. A subtle kind of minimal N-shaped version of that bag, without the branding. So I do love it. It's just perfect, right? Honestly, with this outfit as well. Like, you know, cannot go wrong. And I'm all about that. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to mention, like, this is an adjustable strap. I mean, obviously you can take this off as well. Yes, you can. You can take this off and maybe use it as a belt, no? That could be an option. And maybe use this like another clutch. And it's so chic. I do love it. And I have seen this bag. This is the updated, like, newer version of the bag. And there is another like version of this where they revamped this. Like, it doesn't have those, I don't know what you call this, but it's just flat leather on the front, and it's super expensive. The medium size is like 5,000 to 6,000 Australian dollars, which is super insane. Like, honestly, no way I would buy that bag for that much. But it did come with quite a few scratches, but I didn't mind it at all. I do love a bit of wear on the bag. It makes me just want to use it and not to be too precious with it. Like, these are my two new Loewe bags in my collection, and I can like officially use them now. So yeah, that is that. I would like to know, do you have these bags in your collection? How have they like worked out in your wardrobe? But yeah. You guys, how are you? How have you been? It's been like a month or so since I posted a video. I've been too busy working a lot. But yeah, honestly, like, I wish you guys are well. And, you know, like, stay safe. And I love you so much. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching my videos and waiting to me to upload again. But yeah, thank you for everything and anything that you guys do for me. Like like the video, subscribe to the channel, and sort of things. And drop a comment as well, please. I would love to know what you think about these 2 new bags in my collection. But as always, I will see you guys on my next video. Oh, just a teaser, you guys. My birthday is coming up, and I have an Hermes bag unboxing coming your way. So keep your eyes peeled for that. But yeah, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!